Hi everyone! Today we are going to make a recycled vase out of plastic bottle. Here are the materials that we need for this project. Empty bottle, scissors, paste or glue, any decorative materials like colored paper or plastic wrapper from junk foods. What are the steps in making recycled vase? The first thing to prepare is the empty bottle. Then, paste the cutouts of colored paper around the bottle. Do it until all the area of the bottle are covered.
Yeah, come together, y'all. Woo! Let's go.
There are many ways we can take care of our earth. Together we can finally show her how much she is worth. But there is only one place that all of us call home. It is this pale blue dot of ours that we freely roam. Woo! We can take our cans and sort them into a different bin and buy things with less packaging to score another win. Simple things like less paper waste, stop pollution's haste, allowing all to view Mother Nature's perfect taste.
Wash out jars, cans, and other recyclables so they're clean.
Yeah.
That's a step as vital as using less polystyrene.
Yeah.
Reusable bags and food containers make a lot of sense.
Yeah.
It takes just a little thought to make a really big difference.
Oh yeah. Let's come together and show Mother Earth how much she's worth. Think of future generations.
Future, y'all.
She's not just our Earth. Let's ensure the world's
Come on.
survival.
Come on, we gotta survive,
And
y'all.
reduce, reuse, and recycle. Oh yeah.
Let's go.
We can walk instead of drive to close places every day, or ride a train or catch a bus if it's too far away. Sharing a car can limit emissions too, it's true.
That's right.
Sometimes biking might be the best thing that you can
Might be
do.
the best thing.
There are always lots of chores that people need to get done. All that running around in cars is never really fun. If errands were combined and finished all in one trip, it would save some gas and carbon emissions would dip.
Every effort we take to reduce the footprint we make matters more than you think, because the whole world is at stake. Tiny snowflakes join into an avalanche with power. Saving energy counts every single kilowatt hour.
Let's come together and show Mother Earth how much she's worth. Think of future generations, for she's not just
I like this.
our Earth.
Let's go.
Let's ensure the world's survival.
Survive,
And
y'all.
reduce, reuse, and
Recycle. Let's go. Turn it up.
Fresh water is one of our most precious commodities. With little changes we can make a big difference, you see. A running faucet isn't trying to run away. It's wasting water and running up your bill each day. You can also pay more attention to the foods we eat,
gotta watch it.
'cause some use lots of water to create that tasty treat. It takes hundreds of gallons for just 1 pound of beef.
Just one?
Smarter eating gives our world some much needed relief.
Yeah, that doesn't mean we can never use water to have fun. It just means to be careful, not to let the faucet run. Sure, making changes to routines can sometimes seem tough, but life in a polluted world, that'll be pretty rough. It will.
Let's come together and show Mother Earth
Let's come
how much
together.
she's worth. Think of future generations, for she's not just our
It's not just
Earth.
Let's think about the future.
Let's ensure the world survives.
We ain't done yet. Let's go.
Reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Let's go. Let's go.
Changing an old light bulb is more than an epiphany.
It really is.
It's also a good way that you conserve more energy. LEDs are just as bright and last many hours long, removing tons of emissions that really don't belong. Turning lights off to save money won't make anyone rich, but it's so very easy to flip off an unused switch.
so easy.
It will help reduce the amount of energy
Think
used,
about it.
ensuring our planet's resources are not abused.
We can change the business where we access our power source. Renewables reduce fossil fuels without losing energy force. Solar, wind, and hydro are some options. That's just three. What other changes might make a better world for you and me?
Oh yeah. Let's come together and show Mother Earth
Show
how
her.
much she's worth. Think of future generations, for she's not just our Earth.
Think about the future.
Let's ensure the world survives and reduce, reuse, and recycle. We can clean out our air filters at home once in a while, so that way good indoor breathing can always be in style. Programmable thermostats set the temp when you're gone, allowing Earth's fuels to continue pressing on.
That's right.
Our landfills are the places for taking our solid waste, where trash bag after trash bag piled up high seems to be placed.
Too high.
Composting is a way to reduce what's thrown away, giving us more land and space to go outside and play.
Let's play. A little thought and time each day is really all it takes. Because there never really have been any higher stakes. Let's show our Earth just how much we all think she's worth, so that all living creatures can experience rebirth.
Let's come together and show Mother Earth how much she's worth. Think of future generations, for she's not just our Earth. Let's ensure the world survives and reduce, reuse, and recycle.
This is my finished product. This recycled vase is very useful at home, especially if there is not enough space. Aside from that, we also help reuse and recycle certain materials. In that way, we help to lessen the pollution in the environment because we practice the 3 R's.